Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: power, correct SIM, and active carrier service. Once confirmed, update your modem firmware and carrier profile because outdated software often blocks 5G. Then reboot the device to apply changes. This clears transient errors. While it boots, reposition the modem near a window about 1 to 2 meters off the floor and away from metal or thick concrete, since line of sight and minimal interference greatly increase initial signal lock. Once done with basics, dig into advanced tuning. Enable specific 5G bands in the modem or router interface and prioritize N78 or N41 where your carrier uses them, because band choice affects throughput and range. Make sure your APN and carrier settings match the provider's profile. If the SIM won't register, re-provision it through the carrier portal. Also test antenna orientation, and if signal remains weak, attach a compatible external antenna to boost reception and reduce packet loss. Finish by validating performance. Run multiple speed tests and ping checks at different times to confirm consistent throughput and latency. Once satisfied, back up your working configuration so you can restore it if needed. If problems remain, collect diagnostic logs from the modem and only perform a factory reset after saving settings. Key troubleshooting tip: if you lose 5G after all steps, insert a known working SIM from the same carrier to isolate device versus account issues before escalating to technical support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.